This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Eric Butler. Highly sought after villa in Spring Mills subdivision. This incredible villa offers 2 bedrooms and 2 baths with an open floor plan. Luxury vinyl flooring flows throughout the home. The kitchen features 42 inches cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a center island. Outside the kitchen area is room for a large dining table. The primary bedroom is large and features beautiful tray ceiling, a walk-in closet and a private bathroom. The spacious great room leads to a screened porch which overlooks the large fenced backyard with full trees for privacy. This section of the community offers sloping curbs and sidewalks for walking. Washer, dryer, and window treatments convey. Schedule your showing today as these units don't last long. For more